And I want to be a better person than what I've been. I don't want to be the deceitful, deceptive, tricking somebody type person. And sex is not better than trying to trick somebody either for it or anything else. So I'm turning over a new leaf. I've already been working on this positivity, and I've been working on training my emotions to try to make sure that they don't match up with anything negative, and just to spit out this positive juice and see if that comes back, because this lonely fall, or that deception of loneliness, and I'm having trouble with social media. I'm not playing good with other kids in the sandbox, and I got to check myself. My behavior is not that good. But today is a blessing. I get a chance to go to the Falcons game, and that's really a blessing. There's no other way to see it. So I'm thankful.